Steve 69 Monterey, digging into the front brakes, getting this all ready to go. See where we end up today. I don't think we're gonna get it all done, but we'll at least get everything apart. All right, so we have acquired new rotors, which weren't exactly the easiest thing to locate, but we got them. They're here. Steve's gonna keep these. Just there's so much pitting and all, you know, and it's brakes, so safety first. So we're gonna start first off. We're gonna remove the calipers here, get everything off, all tidied up. Caliper, pull these rotors, and we'll go. First order of business, I took my C-clamp, obviously compressed the piston back in before I disassemble everything, but you know, with less than 3,000 miles on it, didn't go that far, so took care of that. Then I popped off these retainers here on the pins for the outer pad. Next we're going to undo all of our bolts back here. So the bag of hardware is pretty big. A lot of stuff. So there's our outer retainers. Outer retainer. Another one of those. Here's a little pin, which is this piece right here. See, they go right through there. Alright, we're gonna pull our squeakers next, just here and here. Get those up and out of our way. Then we're gonna undo our sliders. So we've already removed these bolts down here. We'll get to the safety wire here in a moment and discuss that. But on these retainers, I've already removed the lower bolts. We're gonna remove the upper bolts, and we're gonna get the caliper out of our way. Well, it took a little working, but we got the caliper off. Finally, things were on there. It's the original pads, which we're gonna set aside for Steve. Here's the other pad. Actually, we're wearing pretty good. And they are original, which is kind of neat, but it's all good. Next step, pull the little rotten rubbers out, which was part of our problem getting the caliper loose because their goo went everywhere. There's our caliper. It's in amazing shape. The rubber's perfect. Just excellent. Looking good. I mean, yeah, that's got a little rust on it, but it's sealed. It holds pressure. The line looks great. You know? Gonna reassemble. Look at that. It even says Kelsey Hayes. Awesome. Look how nice. The original rotors and bearings. They've never been touched, ironically, since '69. Still pretty damn good. Alright, driver's side, same nonsense. Pulling off the clips for the pads. Already compressed our piston. Gonna undo our bolts. Second verse, same as the first. I've said that a lot on these videos. Right. Guided part. The side equally looks as nice. You can still see the Kelsey Hayes markings on this one too. But it looks good. Just gotta pop the squeakers slash retainers off. Well, the retainer clips off. Push out the rotten, greasy rubber bushings. We'll be ready to rock.